this is Sam and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another unboxing. We're going to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'll come back in a second. So the string's off. Here we go for the reveal. Oh, it's right here. Like so. I'm having trouble with this. Oh, okay. It's like a shoebox. Kind of looks like a shoebox. Okay, come out, come out. Hey, it's out. Okay. Okay, the envelope's in there. Okay, for the unveiling. So here we go. It's the Alma baby. I didn't get mine hot stamped because I want to wait like 30 days to see if I want to get SM or just S for my first name. Does she lock it? Okay, so here you go. Actually, at the store I opened it and I put the lock on. It comes in a small little dust bag of its own. Okay, wait a second. So it comes with this strap actually, and on this hardware it says LV on it, so you just hook it on to the extra metal piece here. Okay, I don't want to damage it. Okay, hold on. So the strap's on. You have the extra like a U metal piece here on the hardware. You only have it on one side. Here you go. There's like a little pocket here. Let's see what fits in my bag. My best pass. Okay, it fits in the pocket. My wallet. I love flat wallets. I do have fat ones and I really don't want a fat ass wallet. My makeup bag, I don't have a lot inside, just, you know, just lipstick, a comb, eyeliner that I got on Etsy, some cream, mascara, just, you know, mini size or travel size products, an iPhone 8. And it fits perfectly. So you guys, this time my essay offered me a water bottle. It's sparkling water bottle. I think it's made in France. Badois. That's what it says. For some reason, it tastes better. It's just a joke. Yeah. So I was really happy about this because last time I waited like even longer and they didn't offer me anything. But my essay is really sweet. Her name is Catherine. So if you guys are in the Montreal area, you should definitely go, you know, go ask her for some help if you're interested in anything. And believe it or not, this actually fits in here. Hold on. Right there. It fits right in. My bus pass holder. Just put in that little thingy-majiggy there, the little pocket. My water bottle. Obviously, water bottle and phone. I mean, sorry, my phone and water bottle, they don't, I usually won't put them together, but whatever. This thing here, my makeup bag. Let me see my wallet. So everything fits, everything that I showed you guys fits in here except my little bus pass holder. It has my key as well inside, just like a clay. So like just like the LV clay. I put my keys inside the fossil pouch with my bus pass, and it didn't fit. When I put it inside the pocket, the little pocket that we have here, it just wouldn't close properly. It was like made the zigzag, so I just took it out and put it in an empty area. And yeah, this bag here, it's like a TARDIS. It fits so much, like unbelievable. Like I'm so glad I got this bag actually. It's kind of heavy though, and the strap, I think it doesn't do crossbody on me. I'm like 5'1" and 152 pounds, 50 pounds, 52, like up and down. And yeah, it's not crossbody on me. It's just like a shoulder bag actually. It comes down to my waist, which is nice, but what I like about this is that I can actually wear this in the winter time. Yeah, I wish I had an adjustable strap, so I might like invest in that. I don't know, or maybe just get some from Amazon or something for like a lot cheaper. I don't know. But anyways, this canvas feels a lot, it's sturdier than the pochette accessoire, much sturdier. It's a structured bag, and you know, I love that these handles, I don't really have to baby it that much. I have cream on my hands, and yeah, so it's kind of wrinkly here, but whatever. As long as the canvas is okay, it's fine. This, I believe, if anything happens to these, you can still like you can like change the strap, like the handles, because it's just a leather part. It's just, you just have to make sure you don't damage the canvas. Anyways, I'm really happy with my purchase, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye. In case you guys are wondering, I got these sheets from Sin & Linen. It comes with a mattress cover for my twin bed and one pillow cover. It was about $100 US. Yeah, so I got this set, and I got white ones. I already had white ones, but I got 2 of those. I mean, I ordered my second one because I don't know, I just love them so much, and they were getting a bit old, and I wanted to get another one in case people came over. I just love putting the red ones on, because the red one, I actually have a comforter with that. This, I don't have comforter, I don't have a comforter cover, a duvet cover. Yeah, so I don't really have a duvet cover for this, and that's my next purchase, but it is really expensive, because like this in red and in white, 2 of them together plus shipping, even if it was 20% off, I bought it on Black Friday, and even with all the discounts, it came up to a little over 300 Canadian dollars. So yeah, so I think I'm just gonna get the duvet cover in black and white, because I really don't want to ruin my white and black comforter. These also come in purple, like really dark purple, and white and blue, like light blue. I'm gonna definitely order the purple one around my birthday. But before that, I think next month I'll be ordering the duvet cover in red. I'm so excited because right now I'm just using these sheets with a black comforter. So I'll put the links down below. Stay tuned.